Are you experiencing error code WS-116329-2 on your PS5? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Try signing in correctly. When you are experiencing error WS-116329-2 on PS5 with PSN sign-in ID or password does not match message, first try to sign into your account via settings. Navigate to settings, then head to users and account, then select account, then sign in. Input your account credentials and then sign in. If you are having issues while signing in, move on to the next method. Method 2. Use another account to sign in. The next thing you can try is signing into your PS account using another account's credentials. If the second account works fine, there may be something wrong with your original account. Consider checking your account settings, ensuring that there are no restrictions. Method 3. Check your email. The next thing you should do is check your email inbox and search thoroughly for any PlayStation Verify or similar type of email. If you get such an email, click the link in the email to verify your sign-in ID. If you haven't received any such mail, check the spam folder. Make sure you are checking the inbox for the email address that is associated with your account for PlayStation Network. Method 4. Check PlayStation Network status. Next, check the PSN Network status. You can also have problems signing in due to server issues. To do that, visit the PlayStation Network status page. Check if MSN services are active and not undergoing maintenance. If the server is under maintenance, wait for some time till the server is up and live again. Then try to sign in again. Method 5. Check your internet connection. The next thing you should check is your internet connection. You can run an internet connection test. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings. Select network, then select test internet connection. You can also connect your smartphone or PC to the same internet and go to speedtest.net to check the internet speed. You can restart your PS5 and router or modem. Method 6. Update system software. Next, you should ensure that the PS5 is up to date. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings, go to System, then from the System Software section, select System Software Update and Settings. Then select Update System Software and then select Update using Internet. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest update file. Wait till you get the confirmation message. Once done, check if this could resolve the issue. Method 7. Change the password and recover your account. If you cannot log in and the issue persists, then visit this link and here you can recover your account, reset password, change password, and there are various other options. If you choose to reset the password, then you will be redirected to this page. Go to the account management page, select trouble signing in. Now select preferable option like recover account, create an account, or sign in help. If you want to recover your account, then select the first option. Enter the sign-in ID for your account and select Send Link. Now you should receive a link to recover your account. Open your inbox and open the mail. Then select the Recover Your Account option. Then you should get the recovery message. Follow the on-screen prompts to recover your password. Follow as shown. When you will be prompted, enter a new password and recover the account. Now try to sign in with the new password and check. Method 8. Contact support. If the issue persists, you can visit the PlayStation support page for further assistance. Follow the guide provided by the experts to fix the error. And there you have it, the methods to fix the PS5 error WS-116329-2. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.